that there's something a little different about my bird of the day? What's different about my bird of the day? Oh, oh, oh. Is there just one bird of the day? There's two birds of the day. They're the same bird, but there's two of them. They are the stars, two stars from my story yesterday. Of course, Partridge was the main star, right? Where did he live? In a pear tree, right? Yes. Well, okay, so he's the main star. I'm going to put him back in the bin. Anna, listen. My two other lovebirds from the story are coming out to meet you. And yes, they are lovebirds. They are Christmas birds. Please listen. Reagan, scoot that, please. Okay, so this is a turtle dove. Two turtle doves. I'm not going to play their song yet. They are two turtle doves. And the thing about turtle doves is that they are lovebirds, and they are known for their cooing. When they make their sound, it sounds like a love coo. Like a coo, like a soft coo. Now, this is the thing. Okay, everybody listen. Turtle doves, during the day, they get together with all of their friends in a big flock. And they stick together, kind of like preschoolers do. And they fly here and there to find food. And then at night, they all cuddle up together and roost together in their nests at night. They stick together forever. That's what makes them so special. They love, love, love their friends.
That's nice of them.
It sure is. They are bucket-filling birds. Would you like to hear their love coo? Okay, listen quietly. I'm going to bring it over here so you guys can hear it better too. Can you guys make a coo like a soft coo like a turtle dove? Coo, 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 coo. So, I'm gonna take our lovebirds and put them in the bin for you guys to play with. Fisher, you can look at the picture of the turtle doves during work time, but I also have a coloring page of a turtle dove that I put on the shelf. If you want to color it, you can look at his picture. He's got some like light brown colors on him and then some dark brown spots on his wings.
I already know him.
Okay?